quick Italian-style lemon chicken. First up, flatten the chicken. Place each piece of chicken between 2 sheets of plastic wrap. Gently pound with a rolling pin or meat mallet until the chicken pieces are 1.5 centimetres thick. Season well with salt and pepper. Melt butter in a large flame-proof roasting pan over high heat. Cook the chicken for 2 minutes each side or until it is golden brown and just cooked through. Transfer to a large plate and cover with foil to keep warm. Reduce the heat to medium. Add some more butter to the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until it melts and turns golden brown. Add the garlic and capers. Cook for another minute. Then stir in the lemon juice and lemon zest. Return the chicken to the pan with any juices from the plate. Cook for 2 minutes, turning occasionally. It's ready when the chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened slightly. While the chicken is cooking, combine tomato, onion, olive and feta in a small bowl. Season with pepper. Sprinkle the chicken with tomato mixture and parsley. This Italian-style chicken is delicious served with simple mixed salad leaves.